Hi, Emil.
Hi.
So this is a very exciting time for us, this new collaboration with Titans. What's your take on it?
Well, I tell you, it has been a whirlwind. Late January, our team, Ken Merritt and Greg Payton, visited Titan headquarters. They showed them our amazing eye machining and our best solution for multi-channel mill turn and Swiss machines. And since they are now sponsoring the Tornos Swiss CNCs, so they decided we do a partnership, and they will open also a Swiss academy for teaching how to work with Swiss machines, and they will be using the SolidCAM software for programming all those machinings with the Tornos. And then immediately after that, we signed an agreement, and at 3D Experience World 2024 in Dallas, the team of Titan visited our booth. It was very exciting. Again, we talked together. We showed them our eye machining again on a small level machine. Next, we visited their headquarters. Again, very exciting. And now we are at our technology center in Newtown, and we have enjoyed the whole process.
Listen, I've been to a lot of machine shops, but the Titan, the place of Titan was really incredible. Titan is an artist, and the way he just designed the machine shop was incredible. So tell me, what's in it for Titan to collaborate with us?
Well, Titan have done a great job of really promoting CNC machining for all the public, for all the young people, older people, telling them this is a great profession, they should go into it, and he has done an amazing job advancing that. So basically, he needs a good software that those people who will go into CNC machining will eventually use to program their CNC machines. So it's a nice combination.
So what you're saying, it's good for them, it's good for us. This is a great partnership.
And it's good for the public, the machinists.
Course.
And one more thing, they will have in their website our SolidCAM free, completely free maker version.
Can you elaborate on that?
Yes.
What is the maker version?
It is the full SolidCAM. Obviously, you have to have SolidWorks to work inside it, because SolidCAM is an add-in to SolidWorks. But it's the complete software with all the modules, but it's limited to only 3 post-processors, one for ISO 3D, one for turning 2D, and one for a hobbyist machine. So it's basically for students, hobbyists, makers, and they could get the full power of SolidCAM free. And this fits with the Titan policy to give free education also here.
Right, because they started
version.
out as an educational platform.
Yeah.
So this is really, really
In addition,
right in there.
they will have in their website also training of SolidCAM, which is also good for anybody who will get the free maker version and to work the best for it. So I think it's a great relationship.
I love your T-shirt.
Yes, and you could buy it at Titan website. And I'm going to get all our employees to have one, and maybe all our customers.
And maybe Titans will buy our SolidCAM T-shirts.
Maybe. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.